is an explanation for the clinometer. It's an instrument for measuring angles of a slope or a tilt and elevation of a depression of an object. So let's say you're standing on the ground, and if you want to measure the angle of the building's end, you can easily do that with the help of a clinometer. This is another explanation for it. It's been used since the ancient times, so it's a very original and old method of measuring angles of a slope or a depression. This is a diagram of the mini clinometer which we will be making. So this is, you can see the straw and the protractor aligned and stuck together. The plumb line is basically the weight. Yeah, that's it. So that is what a clinometer is. You will need glue, you will need a straw, you'll be needing a protractor, a pair of scissors. You'll be needing some thread and a heavy object. So now it's not really important, you just don't end up getting a whole table. You do not need a table, but you will be needing, like, you can use a little small piece of rock or something heavy, a little heavy pen cap, something of metal. It's your choice, whatever you can find at home. So without any further ado, we just have to get started with the making of the clinometer. So first you need a protractor, then you need a straw, then you need some tape and a thread, and obviously a heavy object. I'm using an old battery. Then the first step would be to place the straw on the protractor just like I did. You tape that on and then you pass a thread through the middle of the spaces between the straw and the protractor. There will be enough space. And then you tie the battery at the end of the thread, a heavy object or whatever you have, and it should mainly dangle upon just like this one, and that's your clinometer. It's all done.